Hey, this is Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials, the Legit PC and the Legit Mobile, and welcome back to my Construct 3 tutorial series with Ava's game. So we are complete here for version number, for this version of the game, and we are ready to mess around with outputting it for use online and maybe even on a tablet. I have my tablet charging over there. We'll see if we get to that point, but what we're going to do is we're going to output it to HTML5. We're going to try it on local PC, and then we are going to push it to my server for my website, for my Green Engineers website, and we'll try it out there as well and see if that works, and then we'll try it from the tablet, and then we'll see if we could have something that will pack it into an APK and search some of that stuff up, maybe use Cordova or whatever is supposed to use for that. So basically what we're going to do is, so everything looks good. Oh, and I have one thing that I want to change, and let's go here. So the thing is that it does not seem that this animation is doing anything. There is definitely an animation there. Oh, what the heck? So it does not seem like it is.
Pig.
See, it's not
Zebra.
doing it like it's supposed to do it. Okay, so let's see if it actually is doing it.
Pig.
Debug.
Pig.
Okay. So animation. Alright, here we go. Wait a second.
Dog.
Okay, so it's saying, oh, so basically it looks like it's getting stuck. Yeah, so we want it on a loop. There we go. Now it should be okay. So I think I missed that before.
Pig.
Cool. Okay, so now that's basically what we need to do. Obviously, I'm going to download that and set that as the newest version. And also I don't like how it starts out and says something, but I think that's fine, because we're going to have to do a lot of something to get it to not do that. One thing is we can make zero angle not do anything, because chances are you ending up right back at zero angle is very unlikely. So that's another way that we could go through here and disable it from saying anything at the beginning. That's one way of doing it, but we'll leave it that way for right now. So project, save as, project, export. Alright, so let's see what we have. I think these guys, so yeah, so that's blocked. obviously I would support that if you're gonna do it, I would support that. I would say that obviously support the devs, but I mean we're just gonna see it run first. I'm gonna show you guys, so yeah. So it looks like this is the main one. Okay, so you could also put it on their arcade, Facebook Insta Games, and then whatever that is. So it looks like it's using Cordova, yeah. So it's using Cordova to package it. So let's go next. Sure. All right, let's see. Let's see if we don't crash here, and let's see if we could move forward. And we'll check that all the audio is working. We'll upload it to my server, so first we'll check it locally. And then we'll upload it to the server, see how that works, and then we'll see if we can send it to Cordova. If your project needs any of the following features, these require secure HTTPS hosting, offline support, mobile web app, install banner, touch, device, motion, orientation, expression. Okay. Okay, estimated total download size 5.5 meg. Total script size originally 783K, minified to 536. So that's nice. Data file size is 18K. About 4.6 kilobytes compressed. Total image originally 6.3, recompressed to 5, saving of 20%. Image duplicated, limited one redundant image, saved about 1.3 meg RAM. Total sound size 0 bytes. Music size 323K. So this is about the size of my script, is the amount of audio. Overall estimated downloading size 5.5, excluding streamed audio 5.2. This export took 31 seconds to complete. So 5.5 meg at. So let's see what my speedtest.net is going to say. So while that's doing that, so this is really nice. I like this. So, I'm getting 176 meg right now? Holy Jesus. I haven't done this in a while, obviously, as you could hear. Okay, I had 180 meg. And 6 meg up. It looks like it's limiting because it's bumping. Yeah, so it's limiting my upload. So that's 22 megabytes per second, and this is saying mega MB. I think that's a small b. Let's see. Well, where is it though? Oh, here we go. Yeah, see, I don't know why the name still says 629, whatever. So yeah, we've been working on it for 3 months. Well, not exactly 3 months, 2.5 months. Okay, so let's download this. So it is saying 5.7 meg. Okay, so big B megabytes. So I'm doing 22 megs per second. So 5.7. So 5.7 divided by 22.5. This is megs per second, right? Yeah, megabits per second. And so basically 160 divided by 8, there's 8 bits per byte. So 0.253 seconds. So a quarter of a second to download this onto your system from the web. It obviously, if your web is not throttled or anything like that. So let's save it. There it is. Extract files. Extract. Alright, so here it is. So I'm going to call this Ava's game. Ava's. Oops. Rename. Ava's game 9, 15, 19. Okay. So here's what it looks like on the inside. Scripts. Oh, they're all JavaScript. Right. Well, you have to use that for web. So yeah, 800K. Index, images, media, and we have all of our WebM audio here. Can you play it like in VLC?
Cat.
Oh, you can. Interesting. I wonder what that other thing it had there. It had like some green something. I don't know. Ah, so like it compressed some of them and didn't put others. I don't know. That doesn't really quite make any sense, but I wonder why it did that. Interesting. But these are the same. Yes, these are obviously bigger, yeah. What else? Icons. Construct icons. So I guess technically you could go in here and change these icons to whatever icons you want. Okay, cool. So it looks pretty good. Nothing else that we really have any issues in front of the game. Okay, so I remember you had to wait for a second. Or actually, I think this didn't work unless you were in Chrome. Can't remember. I did it before, but I forgot. Okay, so this is what it looks like in Chrome. Oh, it might have been Internet Explorer. Or Edge. It's one of those. Not this one. Yeah, it's probably Edge then. Edge. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, it works in Microsoft Edge. Okay, so let's see.
Pig. Monkey. Turkey. Zebra. Lion. Lion. Horse.
Oh, is this like an old version?
Rooster.
No, it can't be an old version.
Cat. 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 Dog. Dog. Pig.
It's weird.
Monkey.
Like some of these doesn't want to do.
Monkey. Turkey. Zebra. Lion.
Does not want to do cow.
Horse. Rooster. Cat. Dog. Pig. Sheep. Duck. Monkey. Turkey. Zebra.
Okay, so they all work. But it's just
Zebra.
not
Cow.
quite.
Lion.
Animations works. So it looks like everything works. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm in my I use InMotion hosting, so I'm gonna go into my cPanel. Wow, they change this stuff all the time. Domains, where's the file manager? Boom. Okay. So it should be public HTML. Okay. Now, basically, what I'm going to do is all you do. I'm not going to show you what my root directory looks like, but yeah, basically, you go into your root directory. Actually, I don't think it's that big of an issue. I'm running on this website. I'm running. What is it called? InMotion host, not InMotion. Envision, was it? Envision Power IP board. So it's running IP board, and I have some stuff from like school and another project on there. This project, I think this was a Construct 3 project. But yeah, basically, you take this guy and you hit the upload button, and you want to upload a zip. So we're going to upload the zip here, and we're going to drop the zip, and it's going to upload that zip, and then we're going to unpack the zip. Wow, very slow upload speed. Interesting. So we'll wait for that to finish. So when you're trying your game, run it in Edge. Run it in Edge, which comes with all Windows machines. So run it there, and that should help you. That should be fine. So we're gonna upload it to the server, and then we're gonna unpack it, and it's gonna have its own folder, and then we'll go from there. What did I make this? This shredder calc in. Weird. We're at 33%. So let's, in the meantime, let's look at Cordova. Apache Cordova. Okay, mobile apps with HTML, CSS, and JS target multiple platforms with one code base, free and open source. I see. Reusable code across platforms, support for offline scenarios. Run the Node.js, available npm, blah 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 blah, create a project, blah blah blah. I never really got into the whole command line type stuff. Adobe PhoneGap is the original and most popular distribution of Apache Cordova. Turn your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript into an app on your device in minutes using our simple desktop and developer apps, Visual Studio, Cordova Tools, App Builder. Interesting. Framework 7, Cordova App Showcase, and different Cordova apps. So let's see. Is PhoneGap free? I can't remember. Well, if it's Apache, it should be free. It looks like it is. So we could use this. Visual Studio. I don't know what Visual Studio has to do with anything, but this looks interesting. So let's see. So Apache Cordova, you can download it here, but the idea is you want to just upload it. So you probably go to GitHub, download it. Yeah, so here's like install, that kind of stuff. So Android, iOS, or Windows. I don't know. I don't know if you could advanced build and debug support. So I guess you could build it in Visual Studio, so that would also be cool. But let's do PhoneGap right now. So let's see. PhoneGap desktop app, PhoneGap developer, PhoneGap build. PhoneGap build is what I remembered. Okay. Yeah, so cool that this is still around. Okay. But it looks like this is a paid. I used to have Adobe, but I don't have it anymore. So Adobe PhoneGap build pricing, developer free, private apps 1, public apps infinity. Okay, well let's see if it still works. Not now. Source. Interesting. So it looks like it's gonna work. So let's see. So I'm gonna rename this to just Ava's game. See what happens. Okay. I mean, if they steal it, who gives a crap? But you know, I think that they're pretty good. So, okay. I don't know what these are. Whoa, what happened? So you gotta add a key, it looks like. Interesting. So we have it built for each of these, it looks like. So, error. So what I think you could do on Android is you can download it and you could run it in developer mode without a key, I believe. So basically a key is... what is this? Build app. Interesting. So iOS won't let you build it without a key. Android, I don't think you need a key. You could run it in developer mode or debug mode or whatever it was. I'm pretty sure it was developer mode. Windows, I'm not sure. But we are done here on the server. So we are... Oops. That's why I uploaded my... Dang it. So that was kind of a waste of time because I uploaded pictures. Yeah, I uploaded a picture from my car. That's why, and it was a big one. But I'm going to permanently delete. Let's upload it again. Sorry about that. I uploaded the wrong thing. Yeah, I was about to say, I was like, why is it taking so long? There we go. See, now this is what it should have been. And done. Sorry about that, but that's okay. We looked at this build. So another thing that you could do is just get the PhoneGap app. It should be free. Yeah, it should be. It's just free. PhoneGap use screen apps and this. Oh, let's download it. Check it out. Okay, so now, so you could do that, or you could do PhoneGap build. But it looks like what it does is it keeps it up to date with all the SDKs and all that jazz. So basically, if there's any sort of thing with the newest version of Android or whatever, it'll keep that up to date, as far as that's what I'm assuming that it's talking about. Right? So here it's, oh. We'll get the build cloud. Anyways, I'll go back to it in a second. Okay, so we're back here. Okay, so it should, where'd it go? Oh, let me refresh. Yeah. Let me refresh. Go up one level and we'll go back in. There it is. So now we're gonna extract, and just extract in the public. Go back here, delete. Where is it? Delete. Just get permanently delete, because we don't need the zip anymore. And now it should be here somewhere. Uh-oh. Is there an error? Where'd it go? I should have checked before I deleted it. That's okay, let's upload it again. I think it has an issue with, there's an apostrophe S. Get rid of all apostrophe S's. I think that was an issue, so let's upload it again. Let's go up one level. Okay, done. Let's go back one level. And Ava's game extract. Okay. Okay, now it worked. Pretty sure. Where'd it go? Oh, I think it's like not storing it. Where is it going though? Oh, I have to okay. Should be here. Where is it? Wait a second. Uh-oh. Oh. I think I made a boo-boo here. Shoot. I think I just kind of destroyed my website here. Yeah. Shit. Sorry. Excuse my language. I basically destroyed my website because I forgot to put it inside a folder first before it extracted. So now basically what it did is it extracted everything. So let me see. Can I undo that? Basically, I'm gonna have to resubmit my. I'm gonna have to re-upload my package because now, if I go over here and I type in W. And now that is my website, right? The Green Engineers. So I'm going to have to fix that. But that's okay. For right now, this will work. So don't do it how I did it. Normally what you're supposed to do, you go in here and you're going to create a new folder, drag and drop this Ava's game in there, or move it, So move it into the folder, and then extract inside the folder, and then delete the zip. Don't do it how I did it, because basically what it did is it changed my index, and now all of that stuff is in here, because now we have icons, images, and that kind of stuff. So now in media, now it's got this thing up in here in the media. So now I'm gonna have to go through this folder and see basically this folder here and see all the stuff. So what you could do is you could when you're uploading it, take your Ava's game or whatever and open up this folder, take all this stuff, put in Ava's game folder, drag and drop this stuff in Ava's game folder, and then compress it, and then compress this one. So what will happen is after you extract it, there's going to be a folder in here, and it will automatically create a folder in here. That's what I was supposed to do. That's what I didn't do, but that's okay. I'll fix my website. Okay, let's see if the sound works.
Pig. Sheep. Duck. Monkey. Lion. Horse. Rooster.
Cool, so everything works. Last minute here or so. Let's go ahead, and my phone is about to die. Well, I got 12%. So I have my phone here. I do not have my tablet ready, so let's go to my website and see if we could get the audio on here. I just completely destroyed my website. That was not good. Okay, so it is loading. It is working. Let's see. Okay, so, but it says it's not going to allow me to rotate. Oh, it does work. Well, it rotates the page. Okay, and the page is centered, and you just heard the pig make its sound. I'm turning my volume all the way up. Let's press the button.
Pig.
Touch does work.
Sheep. Duck. Monkey. Turkey. Zebra.
And I'm holding down on the arrow, and the animation is working, so let's wait for it to rotate here.
Sheep.
And it lands on sheep. Perfect. So everything is working just like it should. So we have it working on Windows, which will work on any sort of computer. So you saw here, I'm on my PC, I'm on my phone. I'm sure it'll work on the tablet. Touch works, sound works. Oh, I didn't try touching the characters. Let me see.
Dog.
Yep, it works if you touch the characters too.
Horse.
What about here on the PC here?
Horse.
Yeah, it works on the PC too. So it looks like everything works. So in the next video, next weekend, we will get it as an APK and see how we could go about doing that. All right, thank you guys so much. And again, this is just for your viewing purposes. Obviously, if I'm going to keep doing it, I'm going to support the developer and pay for that. Obviously, you see I kind of going around it, but this is, obviously support the developer. This is just a test. So keep that in mind. If you like this program, support the developer and do that kind of stuff. I'm still kind of deciding what projects I'm going to do with this, so I'm just kind of testing it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Peace.